Okay, in this video we're going to look at multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. Mono means one, meaning one term like 3x squared, and poly means many, like 3x plus 2. That's a binomial because there are two terms. If I want to make a trinomial, I could do something like this. That's three terms, but anything that's more than one term, we call it a polynomial. So we're multiplying these kind of terms together. And you've done this before. This is the distributive property, basically. So you've done something like this in Algebra 1, where you take, this is a constant, which is a monomial, and you're multiplying it out times all the terms that are inside of the parentheses. So 10y squared. So you're just distributing. That's all we're doing in this video, like this. 5 times 6 is 30x squared. 5 times 9 is 45xy, and 5 times 10 is 50y cubed. So that's it. That's multiplying a monomial, in this case is a constant, times a polynomial. Okay, so let me do a few more examples just to show you some differences. The monomial could look like this, 5x, as opposed to just a 5. That's a monomial. It's one term. It's a constant with a variable. 4x plus 2. Again, you're distributing. So 5x times 4x is 20x squared. We just looked at exponential rules recently, so that's why we started with that. And when you multiply the variables, you add the exponents. So you're adding this, and you're getting x squared. And then 5 times 2 is 10x. And that's it. So we're just distributing. Let's look at a couple more, and then we'll be all set with this. So 3m times m squared minus 6m plus 4. And once again, I'm distributing. So when I multiply these two, this is 3m times 1m squared. So 3 times 1 is 3. M to the third, because you're adding these exponents, this counts as 1. 3 times 6, this is 18m squared, m times m. And then 3 times 4 is 12m. Okay, and one more example. 7r squared times 3r squared minus 5r plus 7. Notice there are three terms here. This is called a trinomial. Tri meaning 3, or we could just call it a polynomial. And this could have 8 terms, and we would just distribute 8 times. So here we're just multiplying 7 times 3, 21, r to the 4th power, because we add the exponents. 7 times 5 is 35 r to the 3rd power. And 7 times 7 is 49 r squared. Okay, and that's multiplying a monomial and a polynomial. And in the coming videos, we're going to learn how to work backwards. The opposite of distributing is called factoring, and that's what we're going to talk about next. How to start with this answer and work backwards and come up with this by factoring out what's in common to all of them. And that's it.